Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Alfira Anindita from 3 Negeri Junior High School. In this video, I will show you how to make a mosaic art from eggshells. In here, I use eggshells as the main material to apply the 3R concept. They are reduce, reuse, and recycle. Well, without waiting any longer, let's prepare the materials first. Here, we've got cardboard, eggshells, acrylic paint, brushes, palette, white glue, and marker. And here are the steps of making the mosaic art from eggshells. First, apply the black color as the base of the cardboard. After that, wait until it dries for some time. Second, break the eggshells and stick them one by one using white glue. After that, let it dry for some minutes. And the third step is sketch the mosaic with the black marker. In here, I sketch the mosaic with a picture of butterfly. Or use a black color to make an outline. The fifth step is color the other part of the pictures with another color. In here, I use light green, dark blue, light green, dark green, red, orange, yellow, and white. Finally, the mosaic art from Eggshells is completely done. You can put it as a display in your room or living room. It's easy, right? You can try it by yourself. Well, thanks for watching. Have a good day all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.